You can make free seed starter pots like this so much easier than you think. Here's how you do it. Start with a newspaper and cut it into 3 to 4 inch strips. I use the columns as guides. On one end of a strip, fold the corner over to create a diagonal. Now take a paper towel tube and wrap the newspaper around it from the unfolded end, leaving an inch of paper hanging out the bottom. Fold the extra paper under the tube on all sides to create a base. I like to crease the edges and twist to really define it. Slide the tube out and press the bottom folds down to secure them. Fill your new pot with soil, plant your seeds, and place it in a tray. The newspaper will hold together long enough for your seedling to sprout, and then you can just pop the whole thing into the ground, newspaper and all, as it's biodegradable and will just disintegrate. Now, I do recommend that you open or tear the bottom right before it goes in the ground so the plant's roots don't have to wait for it to disintegrate or work any harder. You can even make square pots simply by using a square-shaped object, like this glass jar. The process is the same, just be sure to crease all edges so your pot looks squarish when you're done. And do you need a bigger pot? Just use something bigger, like this plastic bottle. To make big pots, I use one full folded sheet of newspaper. Then I fold one long edge in about 1/3 of the way. Now roll your plastic bottle around the newspaper, making sure one end hangs off the bottom. And then you just fold in the bottom and then remove the bottle. I also recommend you fold the top over to make it even stronger. Add soil to it immediately so this bigger pot will be more stable. And when you pick up these large newspaper pots, be sure to support the bottom, as the soil can be quite heavy. And of course, you can use those paper towel tubes as plant pots too. Just fold in the bottom and then cut them off and fill them with soil. I filled newspaper pots, paper towel tubes, egg cartons, and paper cups with soil and seeds. When it's time to plant them, I'll just put them all straight into the ground. The paper will break down naturally and my seedlings will never know the difference. I love being able to make things like this faster, cheaper, and more friendly to the environment by avoiding plastic. It wasn't that long ago that I couldn't afford to buy the plastic seedling pots at all, and there's no reason to spend money if you don't need to. Now, if you do buy the plastic seedling trays, go for the reusable kinds. Right now, I'm loving these drip irrigation trays that I got from Veggie Garden. I'll put links to those, as well as these reusable black trays I use for my newspaper plant pots in the description of this video. Have fun and grow lots of plants.